Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we will write the program to display the number of coins that are collected inside this UI text. So to write this program, I'll first go inside the scripts folder and then I will open the move ball script. Now, after opening the move ball script, the next thing that I will do is I will declare a private integer variable and I'll give this a name of counter. Now, the reason why I've made this variable private is because I do not want this counter variable to show up inside the inspector panel. Now, this counter variable will basically hold the value of the number of coins that are collected. Initially, when the game starts, I will set this counter variable to 0. So inside the void start, I will first write the command to set the counter to 0. So I will write down counter equal to 0. I'll minimize this thing. Now at the start, this value will be 0 and I'll just click on the sphere. And as I was saying, whenever you collect any of the coins, so during that time, there will be an increase in this coins value. So to increase the coins value, I will write down counter equal to counter plus 1. Okay. Now, if you look very carefully, I have written this command of counter equal to counter plus 1 inside this onTrigger enter function. Now, we have finished writing the logic for increasing the count. The next thing that we need to do is we need to declare this coin text UI text inside our move ball script. So to declare this coin text inside a script, I will first add one header file. So over here I will write Unity Engine .ui. Now after adding this line, next I will declare a public text data type and I'll give this a name of coin text. Now the reason why I made it public is because I want this text data type to appear inside the inspector panel, because inside the inspector panel we will give a reference to this text value. Next, inside the void start, I will write down coin text dot text equal to, and inside this double quotes I will write down coins colon, I'll put a space. Okay, so you have to make sure that this text that you put is exactly similar to this text that you have written over here, because whatever value you write inside this text will appear inside your game view. After this, I'll put a plus, and after the plus I will write down counter. I will copy this line, so I'll press Ctrl C. So now let me explain you what is happening inside this program. Now if you look over here, as soon as your game starts, the counter value will be set to 0. Okay, so this counter value we are using only for the logic. This value will not be displayed anywhere inside your game view. Next, if you look at line number 17, on line number 17 I have written coin text dot text equal to coins plus counter. So this plus basically stands for concatenation. That is, first you will see this coins value and then neighboring to the coins value you will see a counter value. Now when the game starts, since the counter value is set to 0, over here you will get a value of 0. So when the game starts, this coin text will display a value of 0. Okay. After this, on line number 50, as you can see, whenever the sphere collides with any of the coins, so during that time the coin will basically disappear, and when the coin disappears there will be an increase in the counter value. So first the counter value was 0. Okay, that is, we have declared a counter to 0. So when the sphere collides with any of the coins, the counter value will be counter equal to 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, so a new value of 1 will be stored inside this counter variable. And on line number 55, we will now have count text equal to coins plus counter, and the new value of counter is 1. Similarly, if the sphere collides with the second coin, inside the on trigger enter, we will now have counter equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2. And that number 2 will be displayed over here. So now this text will show coins colon 2. When the sphere collides with the third coin, so during that time we will have 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and that 3 will be reflected over here. Okay. So guys, basically we have finished with the code. Next I'll hit save, and after clicking on save, next I'll click on the sphere game object. I'll go inside the inspector panel. I will check for the script, and you can see inside the script I have a new value called coin text being displayed over here. And if you look over here, this is expecting a value of text. So basically I have to give a reference of this coin text over here. Okay, so I'll just select this coin text and I'll drag it over here. So now our system can understand we have to update the coins value in place of this text. So now let's play the game and see whether it is working properly or not. So if I click on the play button, okay, so now I'll start playing the game. So as you can see, I've collected the first coin, and you can see over here that as soon as I collect the coins, the number is getting incremented. So till now I've collected 2 coins. I've collected the third one now, 4th, 5th, this is the 6th one. Okay, so this coin is little bit on the outer side, so I may not be able to collect it, so I'll collect the remaining coins. Okay, now there is one last coin remaining. So I was not able to collect that coin, and as you can see, the game just restarted. Okay, so guys, that's it from this video. I hope from this video you would have understood the programming logic to increment the coin text value as soon as the sphere touches the coin. I hope you would have liked this video. This was a free video from my virtual reality course, which is available on Udemy. This course is currently priced at $200, but you can get it at a discounted price of just $10 by clicking on the link in the description. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like these. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.